Okay, good morning, children. Last video we had taken up exercise 15.1 up till 9, 10th onwards. A piggy bank contains 150 paise coins, 51 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, and 10. How many? 5 rupee coin. Now, if it is likely that one of the coins will fall when the bank is turned upside down, piggy bank मालूम है ना, छोटा सा bank, yeah. If it is turned upside down and if the chances are that the coins will fall off, what is the probability that the coin will be 50 paise or will not be a 5 rupee coin? So first of all, what should you do over here? You have to first find out what is the total number of coins. So total number of coins के लिए आपको क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? Total coins will be equal to, first of all, which notes are there? Yeah, 50 paise coins are there, then rupee 1 coins are there, then which one is there? Yeah, rupee 2 coins are there, and then finally 5 rupee coin. Okay, 5 rupee coin. How many 100 paise are there? There are 100 coins. Okay, there are 50 coins over here, then 20 of 2 rupees, and how many? 10. So total number of coins will be 180 coins are there. Is that point clear? Now the question asked is, what is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paise coin when the piggy bank overturns? Yes. How many are there? 100. 150 paise coins are there, out of how much? 180. So your probability will be, you will say probability of the event E, number of 50 paise coins upon total number of coins. That is a statement to be written over here, okay? Number of 50 paise coins upon total number of coins, and then the value is to be written 100 upon 180 comes to 10 upon 18, and still further if you reduce it, it will become 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 80. Understood or not? Whereas the second probability asked is that it will not be a 5 rupee coin. Not a 5 rupee means remove the 5 rupee from this. Remember, total 180 may say if these coins are removed, how many will be left out? 170. So the second one would be P of E. You may take P of F if you want. P of F will be 170 upon 180. So it will come to how much? 17 upon 18. You can't reduce it further. Am I correct? Okay. So this is how you work out the writing part. Clear? Now the next question. What is the next question given to you? Okay. Gopi is going to buy a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper is taking out one fish at random from the tank, containing 5 male and 8 female are there. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? So if you want a male fish coming out, what is the probability they are asking you? Total number of fishes in the tank is 13. Out of that, how many male are there? 5. So the probability will be 5 by 13. Clear? Number of male fish upon total number of fishes in the tank. That is a statement to be written. P of E is equal to, or P of A is equal to. Next, the game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing to one of the numbers. You know this, no? That the arrow will point towards any one number. Okay. Now the numbers on this particular disc is 1 to 8. Question asks is, what is the probability that it will point at 8? 8 पे point करने की कितने chances हैं? 1. 1 out of how much? 8 chances. Is that point clear or not? There are 8 possibilities total. Out of that, what is the chance? 1 by 8, of course. Okay. Now second is an odd number. How many numbers are odd over here? Yeah. 1, 3, 5, 7. मतलब 4 odd है and 4 even है. So 4 odd out of total how many? 8. So 4 by 8 will be half. Greater number than 2. Greater number than 2 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibilities are there greater than 2. Isn't it? The numbers which are greater than 2 are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers are there? Yeah, 6 numbers. So 6 numbers out of how many possibilities? 8. So 6 by 8 will be what? 3 by 4. Correct. Then number less than 9. Number less than 9 तो ये सारे numbers हैं. So 8 possibilities out of total 8. 8 by 8 will be 1. Understood or not? Okay. A dice thrown once. The probability of getting a prime number. Now on the die, which numbers are there? 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of that prime number, which is a prime number? You must have said 1 is a prime. Am I right? No, 1 is not a prime. 1 is neither prime nor even. So the prime numbers over there are 2, 3 and 5. From 1 to 6, which are the prime numbers? 2, 3 and 5. How many such numbers are there? 3. Out of total how many possibilities? 6 possibilities. Because 1 से 6 तक कितने possibilities रहता है? 6. And out of that how many prime numbers are there? 3. So 3 by 6 is half. Number lying between 2 and 6. Between 2 and 6 which numbers are there? 3, 4 and 5. How many numbers? Total 3 out of 6. So again half. Odd number. Which are the odd numbers from 1 to 6? 1, 3 and 5. Again how many numbers? 3. Out of total 6. So half. All these 3 answers will be half. Clear? Next. A card is taken out from well shuffled pack of 52 cards. खेलने का पत्ता मालूम है ना? हाँ. Now, what is the probability that a king of red color is taken out? King of red color, how many kings are there totally? 4 kings are there. But 2 are black and 2 are red. Am I right? So, 2 kings of red color out of total how many? 52. 2 by 52 is 1 by 26. A face card. Face card means चेहरा जो बना है. So how many face cards will be there? 4 kings, 4 queens and 4 jack. So total 12. 12 out of 52. 12 by 52 you reduce it and you will get the answer. A red face card. Red face card means just now face card how many did we count? 12. Out of that how many will be red colored? 6 of them. Because 2 kings, 2 queens and 2 jack will be red colored. So total 6 will be red face card. So 6 out of 6 out of 52. So 6 by 52, reduce it. Clear or not? Next, jack of hearts. Jack of hearts means how much? Jack of heart will be only 1. Isn't it? Jack of heart will be 1 out of 52. Means heart shaped jack will be 1 only. A spade. Now spade totally how many would be there? Spade will be 13 spade shape would be there. Spade shape मालूम है कैसा है? पत्ता आकार होता है. That is called the spade. So a spade will be 13 cards. 13 out of 52. And the last one, queen of diamonds. Diamond shape is this. Is called the diamond. So the diamond shape and queen. How many will be there? Only 1. So 1 out of 52. Clear till then? Okay. The next sum is 5 cards you are taking out. Which are the 5 cards? A 10, jack, queen, king and diamond. Okay. All these are cards which are well shuffled with their face downwards. These 5 cards are shuffled with their face downwards. Means only 5 cards you are taking and playing. So these 5 cards you are playing, you are shuffling it, and 1 card is taken out at random. That card to be a queen की chances कितने हैं? Total 5 cards are there. So chances will be 1 by 5 of course. Isn't it? It's not 52 cards. It's only 5 cards you have selected and then you're shuffling it. Out of that, the card to be taken out queen will be only 1. So out of 5, 1. 1 by 5 will be the answer. Now if the queen is drawn and put aside and इसको बाजू में रख दिया, you are taking it out. So now how many cards are there? 4 cards. What is the probability that the second card is an ace? Second card is an ace की chances क्या है? 1 ace is there no? तो 1 by 4. Why 4? Because queen is already out. And a queen. Queen की chances हैं अभी? No. So it will be 0 out of 4. So this will be 0 out of 4 and this will be 1 out of 4, whereas this is 1 out of 5. Got the sum? Got the difference between these two? Okay. Next you have 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good pens. So 132 good are there, 12 are defective, isn't it? So what will be the number of total pens? Yeah, 144. Because good ones are 132, 12 are defective, total is 144. It is not possible to just look at the pen and say whether it is good or defective. It is working or defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Find the probability that it is a good one. What is the probability? How many good are there? 132. So 132 out of what is the total number of pen? 144. So 132 upon 144. You will write the number of pen which is working upon, or the good ones, upon total number of pen, that is 132 upon 144. Clear? Next, then you have to reduce it, of course, don't forget it. 17th one, a lot of 20 bulbs having 4 defectives. See, here it was 12 defective and 132 good ones separately they were mentioned, but here it is saying that lot of 20 bulbs means set of 20 bulbs are there, out of which 4 are defective. So how many are good ones? 16. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that it is defective? इसके defective आने के chances कितने हैं? 4 defectives are there, no? So 4 out of 20. There are 4 defective pens out of 20, so it will be 4 out of 20, that is 1 by 5. Now suppose the bulb is drawn, is not defective, means 16. Is not defective and is not replaced, means the bulb which has been drawn is not defective and not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn from the rest. So one bulb they have already taken out, and that is not defective and it is not replaced also, means total number of bulbs will be now 19. Did you understand that? Here probability of defective will be 4 out of 20. That point is very clear. But now they are saying suppose the bulb which is taken out of this 20 is not defective and it is not replaced also. So total number of bulbs will be now 19. Ab from the rest means now from the 19, because one is already removed. No. So from that again you are drawing a bulb. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? So probability that the bulb is not defective will be what? How many bulbs were there? Not defective bulbs are 16, isn't it? But one bulb which were drawn out is not defective there, means the not defective bulbs जो 16 था उसमें से एक बाहर निकल गया, यानी 15 bulbs out of total bulbs 19. So it will be 15 out of 19. Did you get this question very clearly? See, 1 is not defective. Total how many are there? 20 bulbs में से 4 defective means 16 are good ones. Out of that 16, 1 is removed because it's not defective they are saying, means 15 is left now. Rest means 15. And then total number of bulb again will become 19. 20 में से एक कम यानी 90. So probability will be 15 out of 19. Got the sum? Okay. A box is containing 90 discs which are numbered 1 to 19. Disc means there are वो जो CD disc होते हैं वैसे disc है, and on them labels are put 1, 2, 3, 4 till 90. If one disc is taken at random from the box, the probability that it is a 2-digit number. The disc having a 2-digit number की chances कितने हैं? So 2-digit number starts from where? From 10 till 90, of course, isn't it? And numbers are given from 1 to 90. So you will have to remove 9 out of 90. So how much will be left out? 81. Correct or not? From 1 to 90, there are 9 single digits. So if you remove that, there are total 81 double-digit number. So double-digit chances are 81 out of 90. 81 upon 90 will be how much? 9 by 10. Perfectly correct. Now, a perfect square number. Second probability they are asking you, it should be a perfect square. Now, what is a perfect square? From 1 to 90 you have to find out. Which are the numbers? Let us find out. 1, 4, then 9, 16, correct. Then 25. See, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, correct. फिर उसके बाद 36, then 49, then ये 7 हुआ ना, 64, then 8 square is 64, then 9 square is 81, 10 square will become 100. Can 100 come over here? No. So total how many numbers did you get which are perfect square from 1 to 90? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers you have got. Out of how many? 90. 9 by 90 is 1 by 10. Last possibility is, last number is a number divisible by 5. So here writing part, how will you show, children? Probability P of A is equal to a 2-digit number, isn't it? Probability of 2-digit number P of A is equal to total number of 2-digit number. So you will say from 10 till 90 upon total number of digits. Total number of digits is 90 and numerator will be 81, correct? Then second case, probability that it's a perfect square number. So P of B is equal to the numbers which are square is you write down. And they are how many? 9. 9 out of 90. Correct? Now number divisible by 5 will be which one? जिसमें 5 end होता है वो 5, 15, 25, 30, sorry 5, 15, 25, 30. All these numbers are divisible by 5, isn't it? So 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, like that you count up till 90. Okay. How many numbers will you get? This you try it out. Okay, I did all these sums for you. One you do it. From 1 to 90, how many numbers are divisible by 5? The numbers will be the multiples of 5. Correct or not? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, like that you keep on counting till 90. That many divided by 90 will be your answer. कितना आना चाहिए मालूम है? 1/5 आएगा. Clear? Just check it out. Your final answer will be 1/5. When you reduce it, your final answer will be 1/5. Clear till here? So, please complete till 18. In the previous video, I discussed up till 9. Today, in the second video, I have taken up 18. Okay. So now, in the next video, we will go for the remaining sums. Thank you.